Hey there everyone, I'm Billy Kyle, and today we're going to be taking a look at Panasonic's LUMIX G95. Opening up the box will reveal the manuals right on top to help you get familiar with the camera. Underneath of this second lid here is the lens and lens hood, the camera body itself, a strap to attach to the camera, and all of the necessary charging accessories. Once all of the pieces have been taken out of the plastic, this is everything that you can expect to get inside of the box. Now, taking a closer look at the G95 here, this is a great camera with interchangeable lenses for travel. The body feels rugged and is weather sealed, which is a huge plus for taking on trips. There are plenty of customizable buttons and controls around the camera to make shooting easier. On the inside, it boasts a micro four thirds 20.3 megapixel Digital Live MOS sensor without a low pass filter. This sensor is capable of shooting continuous photos at 9 frames per second and can go up to ISO 25,600. The Panasonic LUMIX G95 has a detailed OLED viewfinder and a sharp 3-inch free angle touchscreen that allows you to work up high, down low, and from the front, which is perfect for vlogging and generally framing up your shot when filming yourself. There's even a built-in flash to use when the light is too low. Now, in this kit, the Panasonic G95 comes with a versatile 24 to 120mm equivalent wide to tele zoom lens. The LUMIX G 12-60mm F3.5 to 5.6 covers a wide range of focal distances and is perfect for capturing wide scenes and for focusing in on the details. In addition to capturing beautifully detailed photos, the Panasonic LUMIX G95 can capture 4K Vlog-L video in 24 and 30 frames per second, all on a 5-axis stabilized sensor. There's also a micro HDMI port for real-time 8-bit 422 output to external monitors and a 3.5mm headphone jack for external microphones. Now, after you've shot all of your photos and videos, there's built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2, which make it easy to share those images while on the go. The Panasonic LUMIX G95 can also be controlled over Wi-Fi and Bluetooth via a smartphone to activate shutter release and video record start and stop. And so there you have it. That is everything that you need to know about the Panasonic LUMIX G95, an excellent choice for someone that wants to capture photos and videos on the go with the flexibility of an interchangeable lens system.